and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar, and in this video I am going to explain you about input and output functions in Python, which are very important to give input and take output from the Python. So without further delay, let's get started. So what does input mean basically? So it refers data provided by the user to the program. That means if you are giving any data to the program, that will refer input. And what is the output? So output refers the information displayed by the program to the user on the screen. So that would call output. Now basically Python provides built-in functions for handling input and output both. So let's see that which are built-in functions. So Python provides input function, and inside parenthesis you can show your message, and it will take an input. The input is name, and it will print. So here print is the output function. So let's take this example and copy it, and here Thony editor is there. So here just I am going to paste it and just run it. Let us increase the font size, and you can see that here it is space, so we should remove it. Now let us run it. See that here, enter your name. So if you write, like I'm just adding PostNetwork Academy, PostNetwork Academy, and just you have to press enter. So it has written hello PostNetwork Academy. That means hello is already printed, and thereafter what input you have entered, it is being printed. Now let us understand again. So you can see that Python uses the input function to take user input, and see that you must remember, or you must put in your mind that input is always read as string. So if you want to take integer, so you will see that how you can take. So here see that is, if you are taking, so if you enter a, so that is a string, that is a string. But what will happen, it is not a number. It will print like number, but it is not number. So let us see that how you can know. So here just I am copying it, here I am copying it, and there is a function called type. Here just I am printing, here again gap. See that here I will print the type of age. So there is a function print, inside there is a function type, and you can put the variable age, and let us see that it will print message as well as the type of. So age I am just print, see that 4 and 5. So this, see that is a string. It means that you cannot perform arithmetic operations. Remember, that is the difference. It is printing 45, but you cannot perform arithmetic operations. So what to do here? You have to use int. So this int function will convert a string into integer. So age plus 1. So whatever age you give as input, it will add 1. So let us see again, so that everything would be clear. And again, print is the output function. That's output function is very easy and we have used many times. Here let us understand input function more. So here again there is a gap. I will make you understand. In Python that is called indentation gap. So enter your age. So I am just entering 31, 32 and just enter it. So next year you will be 33. If there is not input, so there would be error. So this was about type of input. Now Python uses the print function to display output. We are already doing. See that here print name age we have already printed. See that let us see some string formatting of output. So let us see that this print can print. See that this is a string burst inside. If there is f thereafter string, so you can print also values inside string. Now let us see that and what you will get here. So this is related to output formatting. So I am just copying it and just pasting here. So here there is a space, so there would be error. So always remember, and here is extra code. So just delete space before variables or statements, and thereafter clean the output area and thereafter see the program's output. See that here the same is age 25, all are like C, so you can understand. Now Python allows multiple input also. So using a split function you can enter multiple inputs. So name and age. So here copying, just I am copying, and here again the same problem would be there. There would be space. So space you have to remove. And run it. So here see that here there must not be gap. That means this was in the same line. That's why there was error. Input name and age. A I am just 32. Just B and 32. You can say that name B is 32. So you can take multiple inputs using split function. Now here input type you can convert using map function. The same way it will work. That means it would be integers, both numbers, and it can take multiple input using split function. You can also use end separator, like separator. So between Python and programming, output would be Python programming. Let us see that. Here just I am copying it, just pasting here, and again here this is the extra code, and here must be gap. See that here the output is hello world hyphen there is, so that is a separator. So you can format the output. Now these are the best practices for input and output you should consider. So always convert input types when expecting numbers, like you have to use integer function. Use f-string for a clean and readable output. Suppose that there is a big string, and between string you want to enter name, age, so you should use f-strings. Split for a multiple inputs, you should split function. That means input and dot split function. So here is examples. So what we have learned, input, Python uses input for a user, thereafter print function display output, string formatting improves output presentation, multiple inputs can be taken using split function, and use type conversion when dealing with numbers. So hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching the video, and remember, I need your support, so follow my Facebook page, subscribe my YouTube channel, and also follow my LinkedIn page. So hope have understood the concept and you will support me. Thank you again.